Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today I'll tell you how to get free stuff on AliExpress. So first of all, let's talk about section free gifts that is on your home page. This is section in AliExpress where sellers offer products absolutely for free. So this is a list of products that marked as free, and the concept is to pick 2 products that will be free and 1/3 product you have to pay for it. So for example, let's pick this item. So I'm basically adding those products to my cart, and let's select the 3rd item to get those 2 items for free. For example, let it be this one. Okay, so now I'm going to my checkout, and now you can clearly see that these 2 items will be free, and for the 3rd item I will have to pay. And also, if I go to my summary, I can see that instead of paying almost $7, I will pay $2.50. So this is really nice way if you want to save some money on AliExpress and also get some free gifts from it. And another way how you can get free stuff from AliExpress is by checking out section that is called Freebies and Reviews. But actually on my device it is called a little bit different, so don't panic if you don't have exact section that is called Freebies and Reviews. You just have to look through these sections and find exactly Freebies and Reviews section. So this is page where sellers give you products for $0, and in return you agree to leave some kind of review for this item. So here you can see a list of items that have been put up for this freebie and review promotion, and you can choose literally any products that you want to receive and later review. But I highly recommend you to stick to offers with fewer applicants. So for example, you can see that for this item 26 people already applied, but in contrast to this item only 2 people applied. So try avoiding this competition. So when you decide which exactly item you want to receive and then review, you have to press this orange apply button, then accept some terms and conditions, and wait until you are selected for this promotion, and then receive your item and basically leave your review for it. So that were main 2 ways how you can get free stuff on AliExpress. I really hope that this video helped you, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.